Hello friends, this is Tamil Selvan and today we are going to see the Digitech 880 Pro tripod and its features. As you can see, this is the box the tripod has came from. It has some features written on the side of the box, and you will get a bag, travel bag, which helps to take the tripod anywhere you go, and you can store the tripod with this bag so that you will not get the tripod dusted. And this is the tripod, and you will have a Digitech name on the side of the arm, as some of the tripod has the sponge grip here, but it doesn't have those grip, but the aluminum feels nice and smooth, so that you don't need such type of sponge, I guess. And you will get the fluid head on this tripod. When we say the fluid head, it should have fluid inside the head, but this is not the actual fluid head. Instead, it is a frictional head which uses the friction to get a smooth motion. And you can see it can be pan as well as tilted, as there are two types of actions. Two type of actions like pan and tilt. You have two locking nuts for each of the panning and tilting motion. As you can see, the bottom nut will be helpful to loosen the pan or tilt pan, and the tilt head can be tightened with the top nut. And this tripod has come up with the quick release plate which can be locked with this lock, and you will get a hinge, something like this. As you can see, the hinge, which is helpful to mount the camera on the nut. This will be helpful when you mount the camera, but some of the quick release plate will not have this hinge. Instead, you need to use the screwdriver to mount the camera, and you can slide the quick release plate on the side, and you can press it, so you will get the pop, and you need to move this to lock the quick release plate. You will get a nice looking handle which is steady, and you will get a sponge on the side of on the end of the handle. As you can see, I have mounted the handle on the right side. You can adjust the angle of the handle by loosening this nut. If you are not convenient with the right side, you can flip it on the other side, and you can mount it here, so that you can use the handle on the left side. As you can see, there are teeth on the side of the handle which helps to hold the handle at any fixed position. If you need the handle to be on the side, you can adjust it accordingly and tighten the net so that it will hold film. And the interesting feature in this tripod is the variable adjustable friction lock. As you can see, there are tilt lock, tilt adjuster, and this is the pan adjuster. You can increase the tension on this one so that you will get the movement smooth. If you reduce the nut, you will get free movements, and if you tight, this will apply to the both pan and tilt. As you can see, I have loosened it fully. You can see I can move it fast. As you can see, I have tightened the nut. It feels little tight. You can lock the nuts so that you can adjust only one, and you will have this markings which will be very helpful when you taking a video from A to B. If you need to take a video from A point, you can mark the point here and move the point to the next desired location, and you can mark it. You can come back and for so that you will get the exact video angles. And as you can see, I have increased the center arm. Most of the tripod will have the center arm, but the interesting feature is it has this nut which helps to increase or lower the center head. You have also got the lock nut for center column. As you can see, try to use the lock nut, because if you lose the nut, the head feels little shaky. As you can see, I have tied the center column so that there will not be any shake. You will got a 3 legs. As the name says, tripod. It has a 3 legs and a center column. And the center column has this hinges which helps to support the legs in each leg. And there is a locking mechanism in the center column which is very helpful when you need to use the tripod at a constrained area. You can move it halfway and you can tighten it so that the legs don't move away. As you can see, I have placed this with the half open position and the tripod stays stable. And you have got 3 sections on this tripod, 1, 2, 3, which can be opened and released using this flip lock. The flip locks look good and it snaps good. The foot of the tripod has a swivel type which helps to fix the tripod on any surfaces. As you can see, it swivels back and forth all the way, which is very helpful when you have a slippery floor, and it will hold it rigid. And when you extend the tripod full way, you will get up to 5.5 feet, and when you lower the tripod, it will get up to 1.75 feet or 2 feet. That is the lower angle you can go with this tripod, and the maximum up to something like 5.5 feet. When holding the camera, you can take a good photo with this or video with this. And one more thing it's missing is the hook, which will be present on the bottom of the center column. It is missing here. The hook will be helpful when you have a windy day or something unstable. You can hook a weight here and the tripod will be stable. But we don't have this feature in this tripod. If you are really shooting in the most windy situations, you need to consider the hooked version. I think the below version will have the hook. And that's all, guys. If I have missed anything, you can comment me below so that other people can get to know about that. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit a like and subscribe me so that you will get the continuous notification